Yun, what's up mga kababa? Welcome back sa aking channel. So ito, binenta na natin si Crazy Bike natin, no? Siyempre, mag-upgrade tayo para sa comfortability ng ating may bahay na si Mrs. Guava.
Yeah, I'm down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next stop. Throw a rollie with a iced out, test out. I see when the time's out, get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got no queen, but I'm feeling like a king. Ay.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone, staying up night and day on the phone. To be whole again. Thought you were the piece missing from there.
Anong masasabi mo?
Ano? Naiyak ako eh. Hindi, joke lang. Okay lang. Ayun na, narinig ko na naman yung CV natin. So, okay lang. Tropa naman nakakuha. So, okay lang.
Yan. Si Boss Jason, nagbubully din yan. Yan. Titan bully.
Yun o, pogi o. Kung gano'n siya ka-pogi, mas pogi ako. Guava, kasama nga pala natin si Boss Jason Flores ng Titan Bullies yan.
Yan, ang pogi.
Oo. Siya yung nakakuha sa ano natin, Crazy Bike natin, no? CB650R.
Swerte.
Thank you, Boss Jason sa duwala. Thank you.
Salamat.
Bali, almost brand new yung motor natin, so jackpot tayo parehas. Ayan boss, ito yung motor, no? Medyo madumi lang, kasi ano.
Madumi doon.
Maulan yung ride namin. So mamaya, abangan niyo po yung kukunin namin motor. Malapit na, ilang oras na lang. Thank you. Oh, si Boss Jason, oh.
Yan ang pogi.
Bye-bye, CB.
Napakagwapo. Crazy Bike.